Hey guys, we're back here with another episode of Beatrice the Miata, and like I said on the last episode, this one will be just about welding and cutting metal for the project. So far I have just the frame. I got rid of the original axle, and obviously you can see that I have a Miata subframe in this. It's a rear Miata subframe. And I have some 1/4 inch 2x3 rectangular tubing that's going to be laid across like this. Kind of hard to do there backwards, but yeah. So we're going to use these 1/4 inch tubings to bolt or use to hold the subframe to the trailer frame. So obviously that's a whole lot of stupid wordage. So anyway, I'm going to switch the camera around and I'll show you guys what I have going on so far. Okay, so what I have going on so far here, like I said, I just have the frame in the shop right now, or in the garage I guess. And yeah, this is a 2x3 1/4 inch thick tubing, and I've tapered the edges quite a bit. I've gone out about 1/4 of an inch and tapered down into the inner diameter of the tubing. It's kind of hard to see in this picture, but maybe you can see there. Yeah. Oh, and I also have to cut the piece back here to finish out the frame, because I didn't cut the frame properly last time. I just cut it straight like this, which was dumb, and then I cut it at the end of the actual frame here, which I have that tapered out so that way I can get some good welds on there. I'll have to cut this piece up here, cut it accordingly to match up with this.